Hi, welcome to our series of video tutorials on how to use Music Snippet. Today, I'll show you how to rename and edit a snippet. Before we start, why not subscribe to our channel? We would greatly appreciate it. Ready? Once you insert your snippet, in your Music Snippet toolbar on the right side, you'll see the options to rename and edit the snippet. Let's click on those buttons and see what happens. If you click on Rename, you'll see the default name. You can then delete it, write the new name, and click on OK. If you click on Edit, the editor will reappear so you can make as many changes as wanted. Let's say you kept working on the document and closed Music Snippet. To edit or rename a snippet, open the add-on and go to your snippet library. Look for the snippet and click on the three dots icon. You have the option to delete, rename, or edit it. Now you can rename and edit the snippets like a pro. See you in the next video to learn how to save and store your snippets.